Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to remove and use Google Photos without Google account. So for this guys, first you need to open the Google Photos app on your phone like this. And now as you can see guys, the Google account was added in my Photos application. So I want to remove it from this. So for this guys, tap on your Google account profile picture like this, and then extend this menu from your Google account like this, and here you can get the option use without an account. Just tap on it. Okay, now it will remove your Google account from Google Photos. Now you can use the Google Photos without your Google account, as you can see guys. Now in case if you want to add in future, so once again you need to tap on that contact icon and then select your Google account. Now it will add that Google account back to your Google Photos. Okay, so this is the easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.